It's not just here in Arizona. Cases of COVID-19 around the country also going down, and doctors are attributing that not only to the vaccine, but because of mask use as well. Fox 10's Bailey Miller is live with more tonight. Bailey?
Yeah, Christina, it's been some time since the holidays now, so
experts
and doctors are saying because everyone is following those social distancing guidelines by not gathering and also wearing masks, they say that's a big reason for this decrease. Cases across the country and here in the state are down, and that's because doctors say the public is abiding by the precautions.
The mask wearing mitigation, the fact that we're off of all of the travel and gatherings that happen during the holiday season.
Overall, experts say it's not because of the vaccine, because nationwide 4% of the population is fully vaccinated and just below that in Arizona. But here in the state, there could also be another reason why cases are decreasing, and that's due to the exposure to the virus. About a month ago, the state had about a 40% positivity rate, but that percent positivity may be helping us now.
We have now a level of population exposure, which also contributes to decreasing cases because there's not as many of the people who are circulating who haven't been exposed to it, especially here in Arizona.
But Dr. Schott adds we are not out of the woods yet. That's because he says there are now people testing positive for the second time.
We definitely are seeing cases of that in the urgent care in the clinics and the emergency rooms. My colleagues and I have definitely seen these reinfections from people who were infected back in the summertime.
Now, Dr. Shaw did say that those cases that he was seeing where people are testing positive for the second time or ones that he's heard of, they haven't been severe. So that's some good, at least for right now, what we're learning about that. But other things him and his colleagues are keeping an eye on are those Super Bowl Sunday numbers and waste management numbers from that weekend. We're still waiting on those. We're going to see if there's going to be a little bit of a bump from those. Reporting live, I'm Bailey Miller, Fox 10 News.